here is see if I can expand my screen a little bit. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so this one was a post that she did on scrapbooking. There he goes. Okay, there we go. On scrapbooking, and she actually got a lot of traction on her post. So far, when she did this, there were like 11 people who had posted, but look at all these comments about what she did. You know, these just comments go on and on and on and on and on. Definitely way more than 11, right? And so that was on scrapbooking. That's her hobby, her business. And so her question is, of all the craft supplies out there, which ones are your favorite? What is the one thing you can never have enough of? So I love this one, and a lot of people did too, because she just put everything out there that she has, that she uses, and you know, what do you run out of? You know, what do you like? What can you never have enough of? So she got a lot of traction with that one. This post here was quite funny, but also got a lot of traction. Let me expand my screen just a little bit here. Oops, I guess I can't do that too well. First girlfriend, boyfriend, did your parents approve of them? Question mark, right? So you scroll down and you see, let me move this over. If I can, I apologize. You see all these comments below this one here. Tons and tons and tons of comments, right? And that was just a girlfriend, boyfriend post. And then a post that I did here recently. So what struggles are you having so far in your business? Well, there's 41 comments on this particular post here, and they just go on and on and on and on. Oops. 41 comments on my post that I did myself a couple of days ago, and the comments just go on and on and on and on. So those are some examples of, you know, posts that have gotten some traction. And so people put their questions in, you know, or whatever I asked, and then what you want to do after people post, you have to go back and answer the questions. Take